What is the difference between ALL certification and C certification for appliances? Have you ever wondered what the difference is between ALL certification and C certification for appliances? If you are in the market for home appliances, understanding these certifications can help you make informed choices. Let's break it down. ALL stands for Underwriters Laboratories, an independent organization based in the United States. This certification focuses on safety standards for electrical and electronic products, including home appliances, specifically for the U.S. market. When an appliance has a ALL mark, it means it has undergone rigorous third-party testing and inspection. This ensures that the product meets specific safety standards set by organizations like the Occupational Safety and Health Administration and the American National Standards Institute. While ALL certification is voluntary, it is widely recognized and often preferred by contractors and retailers in the United States. This preference helps reduce liability and ensures safety. ALL offers different certification marks, including ALL listed for complete products and ALL recognized for components used inside products. On the other hand, C stands for Conformité Européenne, which means European conformity. This certification is mandatory for many products, including home appliances, sold within the European Economic Area. The C mark indicates that a product complies with relevant European Union directives and harmonized standards that cover safety, health, and environmental protection. The C marking process largely relies on the manufacturer's self-certification, supported by technical documentation and risk assessments. However, some products may require third-party testing. Unlike ALL, which is voluntary, C marking is a legal requirement in Europe for market access. This ensures that appliances meet EU-wide standards rather than individual country standards. Now let's look at the key differences between these two certifications. First, the geographic focus is different. ALL applies mainly to the U.S. market, while C is mandatory for the European market. Second, the certification process varies. ALL requires comprehensive third-party testing and ongoing audits, whereas C is mostly self-certification with documentation, except for certain product categories. In terms of legal status, C marking is legally required to sell appliances in Europe, while ALL certification is voluntary but influential in the U.S. Lastly, the standards differ. ALL tests according to U.S. safety standards, while C ensures compliance with European directives, which may have different technical requirements. For manufacturers and consumers of home appliances, knowing these differences is essential. Appliances intended for the U.S. market should seek ALL certification to show safety compliance. In contrast, those for Europe must have C marking to legally enter the market. Some global appliances may carry both marks if they are sold in both regions. However, passing ALL tests does not automatically grant C compliance and vice versa. Understanding ALL and C certifications can help you choose safe and compliant appliances for your home. Whether you are in the U.S. or Europe, knowing the requirements can make your shopping experience smoother and more informed.